Wingane zawethu impela sibona lapha uKhile Khumalo njengoba ke seveza ukukhathazeka kwakhe ngendlela abantu ke abamphatha ngayo. Kanti ke wingane zawethu the yena ke ngeke azacithe yona ke imali yakhe ke ebe efunana ke nabo abameli ke abazomkhulumela. Uthi yazini yena ke akekho ngaphezulu ke komthetho. Uthi ke futhi makuthi ke impela inakhulela ukuba lokhu ke wakwenza ngempela. Kulula kakhulu ukuthi nje nimthathe ke ngoba cha impela yena ke usekhathele manje futhi ke abantu ke abazame kuba abashenxa ke ezindabeni ke zakhe wabese ecacisa uthi yena ke futhi ke vele ke ake sabe ke umuntu. Mina ke ngimbuza sithi MTV bafowethu ngithi nje ake ngingakhuluma kakhulu ke nginishele yona ke lenkulumo yakhe ke uKhile Khumalo nani ke nizwele.
Enough is enough. It stops here and it stops today. I'm not going to be diplomatic about this. I'm not going to release press statements. I am not going to waste my money hiring lawyers to speak on my behalf. Udoti nje udoti. If you strongly believe that I am capable of what you're accusing me of, very simple. Come and get me. It's that simple. I'm not above the law. But I think I'm at the point where I am enough of you people dragging my name through the mud. It stops now. These stupid humiliation rituals that you've been performing, Ngami, over the years. Enough. If you feel that I am the woman that you are coming after, simple. Come and get me. Akekho umuntu engimesabayo.